Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In an attempt to have a very nice Christmas even on a foreign land, I decided to make this today mandazi. Let me know what you call it, and they are super delicious, guys. Let's get right into it. So in the beginning, I use some flour. I use 4 cups of flour. So first you want to add all your flour into a bowl, and next I added some sugar to this. So next I added some baking powder as well. It is optional, but yeah, and I mixed everything together, and next we set it aside and we start with our wet ingredients. So I added 1 egg, I added some melted butter, guys and next I added this cream. You know, when it's creamy, count me in. So we are going to stir everything together, and next I'm going to transfer all the wet ingredients into the flour mixture, and we are going to mix everything together until a dough is formed. So that's exactly what I'm doing in the video, guys. Try and make this mandazi recipe. They are super delicious yet easy to make. And so I stirred this, but at this point I have to get my hands to do the job. So I just removed everything just like I'm doing the video, and then we are going to put everything together just like so. Very easy, right? So next I realized my dough was a little soft, so I went in with half a cup of flour just to make sure that everything is just as I wanted. Okay, so next I'm mixing everything, the flour that I just added, and after this I'm going to transfer this to my working surface. But before I do that, I sprinkle some flour just so that it doesn't stick on my working surface, and I transfer, and I'm going to knead the dough for like 5 more minutes because like I was struggling doing it in the bowl, so I decided to do it on the working surface. And when you pin it with your hand and it pops back, it means it's ready. Okay, so next you cover this and allow it to rest for like 10 minutes just so that all the ingredients comes together. So after 10 minutes, ta-da, we are done. It's time to roll, guys. I know I'm full of surprises, but I'm sorry. Okay, first I split this into 2 equal halves, and I'm going to roll this. But the shocking news here is I don't have a rolling pin. Guys, I don't have a rolling pin, and that should not stop me from eating this because I really wanted to make this recipe. So I used this bottle because back home we use bottles sometimes if we don't have rolling pin. So that's exactly what I'm doing. But if you have rolling pin, please use your ruler to get the same shape. And here I'm just cutting everything to my preferred shape, so just like I'm doing the video. And pretty cool, right? It's very simple to make and super delicious. Try and make this for your family and friends. So this is the shape that I was going in for, and I just cut everything into these sizes. So the thickness should be like this when you are rolling, so don't roll it super thin. Okay, so next we'll add in lots of oil. We are doing deep frying here, so yeah, and allow it to warm slightly and transfer all this yummy goodness into the oil. Guys, at this point you already know. So I transferred everything into the oil, and I'm going to allow this to fry for like 5 to 6 minutes until it's cooked. Please do not fry on medium high heat. If not, the outside will be brown, however the inside wouldn't be well cooked. So just lower the heat and just allow it to fry slowly. Okay, so after like 3 minutes I came to check, and then I just flip it over so that the other side will also fry. So that's exactly what I'm doing. And we came back after 3 minutes, it was ready. So I took everything off the fire. Guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video if you haven't already. And thank you so much for the love. I hope you try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section. So I'm just going to repeat the process. I added all the mandazi that I have already cut. I'm sorry, I just want to be sure my English is correct. And I fried the other side. I came to check it was ready and I just flip it, and I made the other side also cook as well. So that's it. Pretty simple, but trust me, this is super delicious. You can have it with tea, milk and everything. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next